Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to connect the wire to your wrench. It's usually selling separate, and sometimes the installers don't want to install it because you don't have like the actual wire. So first what we need to unscrew the plate. Where all the connection will be done. Then we have like bracket like this. Just unscrew it a little bit so we can push the wire through it, like about like 3/8, ½ inch. So how to attach it to the wrench? So I just push it together and then pretty easy. Yeah, then you push the wire. Give me 1 second. Okay, so right now you just push the wire. So this is our ground and this is 2 hearts. So it's the old house and I don't have the actual ground, so I have like the white and 2 blacks. So neutral and 2 hearts because the old house. Probably too small. No, it's good. Okay, when you push it in, so take the length what you need and screw it. It will be easier to adjust it after. Like this. Give me 1 second. Okay. So yeah. It's like pretty easy. It's a little bit, yeah, need patience because the bracket is too tight here. And right now, yeah. So when it's on the right place, it's very easy to screw it in. So it will be attached to the wrench. So if anything, it doesn't rip off the wire. So now what we have 2 hearts, red and white. So the first is like a neutral, the ground, and our case. Screw it in. The best way to do it with the screwdriver, not power tools, just not to break. Then we do the hot one. The first. And the second red one. Oh, give me 1 second. I will show you closer. So you can see right here we have the screw 1, 2, 3. So always you start from the ground and screw it. At our case it's like neutral. Neutral is our ground right now. So if we would have like a 4, so we would connect the actual ground wire to this green ground screw. Neutral here and 2 hats right here. So we take the wire, put it in like this and screw it to the hole. Like this. Sorry, I don't have 4 hands, so I need to give them some. Like you see, I screwed the first one. So how it's worked? We have already screws ready here. We unscrew it. Put it in and then screw it back. Super simple, super easy. So if you have like a problem that installer doesn't want to install it because you didn't have like a wire and you left with unconnected wrench, so it's very simple. Just need a screwdriver and just install it. So the wire that you need to buy, it depends from your outlet. So if you have outlet like this, like this, so you need 50 amperes wire like this one, just 3 wires. So ground, hot and hot. So right here, ground, hot and hot. So if you have like a 4, like outlet with 4, so you need buy the wire from Home Depot or wherever, 4 wire cable. So and then the white cable, the neutral will go here, ground will go here, you can see the sign of it, and 2 hots, 1 and 2. So pretty simple, very easy. Now we put it back. So we put the plate back and it's ready to go. After you screw in all the wires, you put you put the plate back. It's very simple, just 1 screw here, and you're ready. You connect it and slide in the wrench. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I helped, and please subscribe, press like button, and thank you. Bye bye.